Next problem. A fair die is tossed repeatedly. If xn denotes the maximum of the numbers occurring in the first n tosses, find the transition probability matrix P of the Markovitch chain xn. Find also P square and P probability of x2 is equal to 6. If the present number occurring on the die is greater than or equal to the previous number occurred on the die, then we calculate the actual probability. If the present number occurring on the die is less than the previous number occurred on the die, then we consider the probability as 0. That is, present number occurring on the die. Suppose if you roll the die, you will get 6, which is greater than the all other numbers previous roll on the previous roll, correct? If you get 6 on the present roll, in the previous roll it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all are less than or equal to, that is the present one is greater than or equal to previous one. Then we have to calculate the actual probability, right? So suppose if you are getting 6, then what are the chances are there in a die? When rolling a die, you can get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So you have to add the all probabilities, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 up to 6, 1 by 6, 6 times. That is the actual probability. Suppose if you are in the previous roll, you will get, suppose you got in the previous roll you got 5 and present roll you will get 6, then the actual probability is 1 by 6, correct? It is greater when comparing like that. So we have to calculate all the chances less than or equal to that number. Suppose if you get 3 in the previous, then after the roll if you get number 4 on the next, then what is the probability? Probability is equal to probability of, it is greater than, it is actual though, so you will get 1 by 4, 1 by 6, sorry, for getting 4, 1 by 6, right? Like that you have to calculate. Suppose the present number is 5 but previous number is 6, then probability is 0. This state space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Xn is nothing but I, and xn plus 1 we are taking j, values of the state space. The probability Pij is calculated as per below. If j is less than I, then Pij is equal to 0. That is what I told. The present one is 5 and previous one is 6, then Pij probability is 0. Present one is 5 and previous one is also 5, then probability is, what are the chances? Probability of x less than or equal to I. That is, you will get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to add up all the probabilities. That is, I is equal to 1, 2, etc., etc. I is equal to I times by 6, right? If it is 5 means 5 times 1 by 6. 4 means 4 times 1 by 6. I means I into 1 by 6. If j is greater than I, then Pij is equal to Xij, exactly. Suppose if you get present one is 6 and previous one is 5, means you have to take the actual probability. So probability of getting 6, that is nothing but 1 by 6. So transition probability matrix we know now. We are mentioning the position P11 etc. P66. So which is equal to, so we are placing the actual values 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. So row name 1 to 6, column name 1 to 6. If you are getting 1 and 1, so actual equal, so 1 by 6. First previous one 1 and present one 2, so actual 1 by 6. Previous one 1, present one 3, so greater, so 1 by 6, like that, etc. Previous one 1, present one 6, which is greater, so actual probability 1 by 6. So we are filling up the positions P11 P12 first row. In the second row, previous one 1, present one is, sorry, previous one 2, present one is 1, 2 1 position, right, which is less than, so 0. Then second one, previous one 2, present one 2, present 2, previous 2. So previous, what are the possibilities? There are two chances, either 2 or 1, both are less than 1. So you have to add up the probabilities, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 2 by 6. Then P23, 2 is less than 3, 3 is greater than 2, correct? So 1 by 6, 4, 5, 6, all are greater than 2, so 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1. Next one, P13, sorry, P3, 1, 3 is greater than 1, so 0. P23, 2 and 3, 3 is greater than 2, so 0. Then 3, 3, so present one 3, previous one, what are the possibilities? 3, 2, 1. So add up the all the probabilities, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, you will get 3 by 6. Next one 4, 4 is always greater than 3, so 1 by 6, etc. So you fill up all the 1, etc., you will get 6 by 6. So taking 1 by 6 outside, you will get the matrix 1 1 1, etc., 0 0 0 6. Now we have, this is the TPM, transient probability matrix. Next one, to find P square, P into P. So you multiplying normal matrix multiplication. So you will get 1 by 36, 1 3, etc., 0 0 36. Normal matrix multiplication, 6 by 6 matrix multiplication. So that is the positions P11 raised to 2, etc., P66 raised to 2. That is equation number 1. Now to find probability of x2 is equal to 6. So probability of x2 is equal to 6. We need the initial probability distribution. What is the initial probability? Are equally likely, right? The chances of getting each number when rolling a die is equal, correct? First, if you don't know what is going to get, right, if you are rolling a die, so whether it is 1 2 or 3, etc., or 6, so there are equal chances for them. So 1 by 6 1 by 6 1 by 6 1 by 6, that is the initial state probability, right? Now P of x naught equal to 1, so position we are taking, so initial probability P of x naught equal to 1, 1 by 6, x naught equal to 2, initial, that is why we mentioned not, 0, x naught, etc., P of x naught equal to 6 is equal to 1, all are equal. So 2, equation number 2. Now x2 is equal to 6, that means from the definition of chain rule, sigma I is equal to 1 to 6, probability of x2 equal to 6 given, the chances are maybe 5 4 3 2 1, x naught equal to I into probability of x naught equal to I takes the value 1 to 6, all chances are there, right? So summing up all those things, x2 given 6, we are substituting the value of I, so you will get P of x2 equal to 6 given x naught equal to 1 into P of x naught equal to 1, etc. Last number, P of x2 equal to 6 given x naught equal to 6 into probability of x naught equal to 6. So that is 0 to 2, stage 2, right? Above P raised to, that means P raised to 2. So state 1 6, x2 equal to 6 and x0 equal to 1. So when you are looking the power 2, you have to check the stage x2 x0 0 1 2 2 0 to 2, 2 stages, 1 2, right, 0 1 then 2, so 2, that is why p raised to 2 power. In the suffix you have to look out the state. State means x2 equal to 6 is the state, x0 equal to 1 is the state. So you have to write it in the reverse wise, 1 6 raised to 2 into p of x0 equal to 1, etc. etc. Last one, probability of 6 6 raised to 2 p of x0 equal to 6. Substitute the values from the equation number 1 and 2. All are there. You substituting the values, you will get 91 by 216. That's all. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.